You know, this is not a normal month, huh? It feels like the sky is opening a doorway between the old version of you and the version of you that is finally ready to be seen. At the start of July, the energy is emotional. Cancer season is still active, and Cancer rules the heart, the home, the past, and the feelings we usually hide from the world. So before July gives you power, it first brings you what you have been carrying. Old fears, old memories, old doubts, old versions of yourself that no longer feel like you. That is not happening to break you, it is happening to clear space. Because on July 14th, the new moon in Cancer brings a deep emotional reset. Think of it like standing at the edge of the ocean at night, watching the waves pull away everything that you no longer belongs to you. This is where the month whispers, let it go. You cannot carry your past into your breakthrough. Then the energy begins to shift. Jupiter enters Leo. And Jupiter being in Leo, that is big, bright, and with golden energy. Leo is the spotlight, the stage, the heart, the courage to show the world who you really are. This is where July becomes powerful, because after the emotional reset, the universe starts asking a bigger question. Are you still going to hide your light? Jupiter in Leo does not want you to shrink, does not want you to stay quiet, does not want you to keep waiting for permission. It pushes confidence, pushes creativity, it pushes you to become visible. But the biggest breakthrough comes around July 20th to July 22nd. This is the pressure point of the month. Imagine the sky turning electric. Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto all created powerful energy around this time. This can feel like sudden ideas, deep realizations, spiritual pressure, or a strong feeling that your life is ready to change. And here is the truth, breakthroughs never happen always peacefully. Sometimes they feel like pressure, sometimes they feel like confusion, and sometimes they feel like you're outgrowing the life you used to accept. But that is the point. July 2026 is not here to keep you comfortable, it's here to wake you up. Then the Leo season begins and the fire returns. This is when the month says, create again, speak again, believe again, show up again. And with July 29, the full moon in Aquarius brings the final message. Aquarius is the future, the vision, the people you are meant to grow with, the life that no longer fits inside your old limits. So by the end of July, you may clearly see who belongs in your future and who only belong to your past. That is the real power of July 2026. It starts with emotion, it moves with courage, and it ends with truth. This month is not just changing the sky, it is changing the way you see yourself. So the question is, when the doorway opens, will you stay where you are or will you finally walk through?